Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I'll show you how you can add account to your Google Play Store. I'm talking about another account. You have to go for the Play Store, tap on the right up corner, click to add another account, and then go for the Google. Right now we have to use verification method. In my case it will be fingerprint sensor. Tap on the email and input new PIN code. New email. Click next. Oh, this account is already logged in, so I will try to input another one. Okay, there we got some kind of debug, as you can see. We cannot open the keyboard. Let's turn it off. Okay, we have to go back simply. Click next. When you input your email and just input the password. So right now we can tap on the next. Click agree. You can save password or not, and you can just simply go back, and when you tap on the right upper corner, right now you can switch between accounts. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.